Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to set up the TallyPrime server monitor to allow user to schedule backup in TallyPrime. In release 7.0, TallyPrime introduces the schedule backup feature, which gives the flexibility to automate the backup of company data. As an admin, you can set up the TallyPrime server monitor to give users access to schedule backups in just 3 simple steps. Publishing data on TallyPrime server to TallyPrime, creating a security level, and assigning the security level to a user. Publishing data on TallyPrime server to TallyPrime. Open the TallyPrime server and log in. Press Alt-K. Select Data Server and choose TallyPrime Gold license. On the configuration screen, enter the IP address of the system where TallyPrime is installed. Note that if the TallyPrime server monitor and TallyPrime are running on the same system, you don't need to enter the IP address. Just ensure that under IP address, localhost is entered. To get the IP address, open the command prompt on that system and run the command ipconfig. Copy the IPv4 address and paste it under IP address in the configuration. Next, enter the port number on which TallyPrime is running. To find the port, open TallyPrime, press F1, About, and note the port shown under Connectivity and Tally Gateway Server. Enter the port number and press Ctrl-A to save the configuration. Now, let us create a security level. Press Alt-K and select Monitoring Tool. Security Levels. In the list of security levels, enter the name of a new security level and press Enter. Under Permissions, enable Allow Backup and Allow to schedule backup in TallyPrime. Press Ctrl-A to save the security level. Final step is to assign the security level to the user. Press Alt-K and select Monitoring Tool. User and Access. In the Security Access for TallyPrime server screen, select the security level you created. Enter the tally.net ID of the user, who is to be given the access to schedule backups. Press Ctrl-A to save the details. That's it. The user will now be able to schedule backups in TallyPrime. If you are the admin of the TallyPrime server monitor, you don't need any special permission. You can directly open TallyPrime and start scheduling backups. As you saw, with just 3 simple steps, you can set up the TallyPrime server monitor to allow users to schedule backups in TallyPrime. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.